Greetings. I'm James Haywood Rowling Jr., President of the National Art Education Association, and I want to wish you all a safe, successful, and creative start to the 2021-22 school year. Did you know that September 12th through 18th is National Arts and Education Week? This is an opportunity to highlight the great work that you and your learners are doing in visual arts education across the country as you reopen your school doors. And I wanted to offer some resources and ideas to help you celebrate this week. For one, you could visit NAEA's Arts Advocacy page at arteducators.org/advocacy-policy and find great resources like the Arts Advocacy Toolkit. Or secondly, you could check out the Americans for the Arts Advocacy link below for some ideas on how to highlight the arts in your school or community. They are the hosts of Arts and Education Week. Or number three, you could create a posting telling why visual arts design or media arts education is important to you and your learners, and use the hashtags visual arts ed and hashtag because of arts ed. Remember, as greater advocates for arts learning and spaces dedicated to the exercise of creative activity, one of the problems that we have yet to surmount as a field is overcoming the misinformation that the arts are nice but not necessary. We can tell our story better. We must. So, on behalf of the National Art Education Association, I wish you a wonderful fall season of renewed storytelling and a successful Arts and Education Week.